Hi, this is Alicia. I'm a librarian at Mitchell Park Library in Palo Alto. And for our craft today, we're going to make a dragon to celebrate the Lunar New Year. Check it out. Whoa. Very cool. All right, let's get started.
For this project, you'll need tissue paper cut up into strips where you can use streamer, a hole punch, scissors, 3 toilet paper rolls, a push pin, tape, some yarn, 7 plastic cups, and a dragon face on paper. You can draw it or print it out, a dowel or a paint stirrer, and a skewer. Alright, first you're going to want to cut your toilet paper rolls in half, all 3 of them. Then you take your push pin and you poke a hole on the bottom of the cup. Really push it in and move it around to make the hole big. You might have to poke multiple holes and then twist it around so that you can make a large opening for your yarn. After you have all 7 cups with holes in them, you'll need 3 pieces of yarn 20 inches in length. Tie a double or a triple knot on one end of the yarn. Using your skewer, take the other end of the yarn and push it through the bottom of the cup and pull it through. Now take a toilet paper roll and thread that through the yarn. You'll repeat the pattern with all 7 cups and 6 toilet paper rolls. After you've added your last cup, tie a double or a triple knot in the yarn. Take your dragon out and then pull this yarn out from the front and tie a double or a triple knot closer to the nose of the dragon so that it's nice and tight and not too loose, otherwise it will kind of come apart. We'll take your hole punch and we're going to hole punch the first and the third to the last cups. And then you'll take your 2 pieces of yarn and tie one to the first cup, knot it up a couple times so it's nice and tight, and then you'll take your other piece of yarn and tie that to the third to the last cup. The next step is to tie the yarn to your dowel. And now you're ready to decorate it. Attach 2 pieces of tissue to 1 piece of tape on both ends, and then attach it to the bottom of your dragon. And the last step is to tape the dragon's face to the front of your dragon on both sides. And now your dragon is ready to dance and celebrate the Lunar New Year.